Hi guys, this is Bruce from Meishi, and I'm gonna just give you a quick demonstration on how to build your Meishi card. So, first steps, you're going to, once you log in through the Meishi affiliate program, you're going to get an email. You can take that email, it will have a username and password. You can put it into the dashboard URL. It's going to ask you to change your password, and then it's going to send you a verification code, and then you'll be logged into the system. So I'm just going to log in quickly on my side. Okay, it's going to ask you for a verification code. I'm just going to get it quickly on my email. Okay, click verify. There we go. Then you're in. So I'm going to run through all the steps just to help you make the process a little bit easier. So the first thing that you do is, well, first of all, where it says dashboard, those are your analytics. If you click on analytics, it will show you your total amount of views and a couple of buttons. But everything says 0 now because we haven't created a Meishi card yet. So you can go to the left and click My Companies. If you're logging in for the first time, it's going to say your logo here. Your logo won't be in yet. So you can just hover over the little eye and click. Okay, first of all, it's going to ask you to create a template. But what you should do is, if you could go to the bottom, click on the menu button, and the first icon from the bottom, it says Company Details. If you click on Company Details, then you can actually go in and upload your logo. So I'm going to click there. I'm going to find my Meishi logo where I have it saved. Okay, then you can actually put in all the details. I've actually put in all my details already. You can click update. Okay, you can just click next. Just make sure all your details are correct. I'm just going to click update. And there we go. I've successfully changed my company's logo. So if I click on my companies again, it should change to my logo. Okay, and you can also change your company's name in there. So I'm going to click on the little eye again. So at the bottom, so now you've actually changed your company's details. Manage templates. I'm going to go through the template now with you, and then at the top it says manage admins. So you can create an admin. So when you log in, you might log in with a personal email address, and when you create an admin, you can actually go in and add yourself as an admin with your company's address. So if you click on the bottom right on the menu button, then you can actually upload yourself as an admin as well, and you can also update and put your company's email address in there. Okay, so I'm not going to do that because I've done that already. Okay, so I'm just going to go back. Then you just create templates. Click over there. Template name, I'm just going to say Bruce video demo. Template description, I'm just going to copy and paste. Okay, click next, and now you can just follow the steps. So these buttons at the top, you can allow the end card holder to edit or not, or you can make this the second toggle switch. You can make all the information private or not. So I'm just going to leave that. Into location, I'm just going to type in Cape Town. Is that where I'm sitting now? Cape Town. I'm just going to put in my details. Suburb is Big Bay. Cape Town. next. Contact numbers, so I'm also going to click allow cardholder to edit, so I'm not going to put in anything there now. You can put in all your social media, so I'm not going to go through everything. This takes quite a while to do, but you can put in your Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, all your social media icons, your chatbot if you're using a chatbot. You can click next. Okay, this is on the right hand side, all your portfolio links, all your PDFs, your flyers, your brochures, links to your website, your forms, catalog page turners. You can embed everything in this side. So I'm just going to do 2 of them. I don't want to take up too much of your time. So title, I'm going to add in my website. So I'm going to type in website, type in the URL to the website, Meishi.me. And then you can also have a logo. I'm just going to put in our Meishi company logo. There we go. And then you click on the bottom right, you click add. Okay. And I just want to show you how to add a PDF. So let's say I want to add the latest Meishi newsletter. Click on PDF. Click on the paperclip. So I'm just going to go find our newsletter. There it is there. Okay, and then you can upload a logo. Again, that doesn't have to be the same logo. You can go onto one of these websites where you can buy or choose icons. You can have different icons for different links. That's up to you. Okay, I'm just going to use our Meishi logo again. Click add. And so on, and you can populate. So you've actually got 14 links that you can embed in the side, and the 15th link will actually be your QR code at the end. So I'm not going to take up too much of your time. I'm just going to click next. So this is how to customize your Meishi homepage. So just make sure that you go through the steps from one to the end. So the first one, the layout, you can actually put all the information at the center or at the top. I'm just going to leave it at the top. It looks better there, I think. Heading text, so I'm going to choose a font. I'm going to leave everything white. Subheading text, I'm just going to choose Open Sans as a font. I'm going to change this to white. Paragraph text, use Open Sans and leave it white again. Introduction text, you can actually put whatever you want to introduce yourself. This how I am at the top. Or you can leave it out if you don't want that in. So I'm just going to leave it how I am for now. Separator, I'm going to leave it white. Arrow instructions, I'm going to leave that white. I'm going to put in the Meishi blue. Choose a blue from the color picker. I'm going to leave it there. Homepage color, I'm just going to leave it blue for now. You can put in a brand slogan. You can customize your chatbot. It's just keep. You can make that blue as well. Okay, then your fav icon. So over here, I'm just going to put it in our Meishi logo. Organizational logo. I'm going to choose the Meishi logo again. And then homepage. So you can have a different look on your homepage on mobile and a different look on your desktop or PC. So I've already gone in and photoshopped these images. So if you want the best quality and nice crisp look, if you have a look at the recommended size. So for mobile, it must be 480 pixels by 1200. And for desktop should be 1600 pixels by 1200. So I've already made something up. So I'm just going to click on mobile. I'm just going to go in. Just going to find my image. There we go. For mobile. And image for desktop. Okay, and then you just click next. This is to edit your left hand side page, the about page. So I'm just going to leave it all like that now. Background color, I'm just going to go for a light gray. So I'm just going to move it up a bit until I'm happy. There we go. I'm just going to copy that hex value. Okay, next. Okay, the portfolio page, which is the right hand side, I'm just going to paste that same gray in there just to keep it uniform. Title font, I'm going to leave that white. So this first part of here is how you want it to save to your home screen. You want, your form. Do you want to go to the cardholder's address or to a static email address? I'm just going to say cardholder's address. And for the icons, do you want it to save as a profile photo or the fab icon? I'm going to click fab icon. Complete template. There we go. Now I've completed the template. Okay. Successful. So now if you look at the bottom, so let me go back one more time. Okay, if you have a look at the bottom, now you've changed your company's details. We've created the template. You've added yourself as an admin. That's very important. And then now we need to create a team. A team is a department, so you can have different teams in your company. So I'm just going to call this Team 1. Description. I'm just going to Team 1 again. And then you can assign a template to this team. So we only have one template that we created. I'm going to say Bruce Video Demo. Create team. Successful. Okay, so now we've created the team, and now we need to allocate a person to. So now we've created the template. Now we want to populate the template with someone. So now we're actually going to make the Meishi portfolio card. So you click on the plus. I'm going to put myself in because I'm making my own Meishi card. Bruce Koenig. Okay, email address. I'm going to use create user. Successful. So if you have a look on the left hand side here, it says my companies. I'm just going to refresh my screen. There we go. You see there's an extra window that's popped up here. It says my Meishi portfolio. So now we're going to populate the template that you've just made. So you click My Meishi Portfolio, and you hit the little plus. Okay, now we can start populating it. So this is the quick part. This takes quite quick. So I'm going to put in my profile photo. Let's just find it in my files. There we go. Okay, I'm going to put my details. Founder, CEO of Meishi. Okay, and you just carry it on along the bottom. Next again, I'm going to put in my mobile number. So I'm going to just put in the South African dialing code. It's +27 63684 0131. Next. So you can, if you've got more time, I'm just going through it quite quickly. You can populate all your social media links. WhatsApp is always https://wa.me/ you put in the 27, then your number 636840131. Telegram is https:// will be t.me then your username on your Telegram link. You usually find it on the app. So mine is Bruce Koenig. Okay, and then you can go put in your Zoom links. That's quite important. Let me show you how to do it. So all you should do is you open your Zoom app. You go to the unique number and say copy ID. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to Go into Zoom itself. I'm just putting my details. Okay, password. Sign in. Okay, so you just go to profile in your Zoom, and then you just highlight your link. Okay, copy, paste it in there. Okay, you can just click next. A bio about yourself. I'm just going to type in bio. Next, your links. I've done them all already in the template, but you can actually add more links here. And then you click complete. There we go, and magic happens. And that's your Meishi card, and that's how easy it is to do it.